Cannabis processing and overview. In this course, you are going to learn different cannabis processing methods for different purposes. You will learn how to process hemp fiber that is used for building materials and plastics, cannabis processing for seeds, which includes seeds for propagation, and seeds for protein as a source of food. You will also learn how to process roots as well as marijuana and hemp to extract and isolate the cannabinoids. Processing for fiber is going to primarily happen with hemp. Fiber hemp looks like this, where it's very coarse and long material. And this coarse and long material requires a very certain process and machinery to end up with fiber building materials and plastic replacements. Then there's processing for seed. On the left here you see seed for propagation, which means you buy the seed and you plant it and you grow cannabis. On the right you see seed for food, a good source of protein. So these different seeds have different ways of being processed. We can also process for roots. The roots have a lot of different medicinal properties, and it requires a special handling and processing to maintain the medicinal properties of these root extracts. Finally, we're going to learn several methods for processing of cannabinoids. This is on both sides of the marijuana side as well as on the hemp side.